Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how to get started with cloud computing in 2026 and beyond. Whether you're an entrepreneur, IT professional, or just tech curious, understanding cloud computing is essential. Let's break it down into simple steps. First, grasp the fundamentals. Cloud computing offers on-demand access to computing resources over the internet. It provides flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. Familiarize yourself with key terms like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. These stand for Infrastructure as a Service, Platform as a Service, and Software as a Service, respectively. Next, identify your goals. Are you looking to store data, run applications, or deploy websites? Understanding your goals helps determine the services you'll need. Different providers excel in different areas. AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are popular choices, each offering unique features. Once you've set your goals, choose a cloud provider, compare pricing, tools, and support options. Consider what aligns best with your needs. Sign up for a trial to explore the dashboard, tools, and tutorials available. Before migrating to the cloud, assess your current infrastructure. Evaluate your data, applications, and network. Conduct a cost analysis to understand potential savings versus current expenses. This ensures a smooth transition. Security is paramount. Learn about best practices in cloud security, including encryption, identity management, and compliance. Most providers offer integrated security features. It's vital to stay informed about the latest updates and security protocols. After cementing your security strategy, move to testing and deployment. Start on a small scale, perhaps with a non-critical application, to iron out any challenges. Gradually scale up, ensuring stability and performance meet your standards. Continuously monitor and optimize your use of cloud resources. Use analytics tools offered by your provider to adjust your usage for better efficiency. Regularly reviewing helps manage costs and enhance performance. Finally, commit to ongoing learning. Cloud computing is dynamic with constant innovations. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and join online communities to stay updated. And there you have it. You've taken your first step into the world of cloud computing. As we progress further into the digital age, mastering these steps will keep you ahead, prepared for whatever lies beyond 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.